Good morning, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all good. So now today we are going to continue our previous chapter, that is chapter number 3, table in MS Word 2007. Today in this chapter we are going to learn how to add borders and shading in MS Word 2007. Now tables, borders and shading in MS Word 2007. Now we can improve the appearance of a table by adding border and shading rows and columns. Here student, here you can see the picture with different style of the table, border and borders, to see that how they look beautiful after applying the border and shading. Now let us move MS Word 2007 to apply border and shading on a table. Now we are going to move MS Word 2007. Just open Microsoft Word file. Now this is your Microsoft Word file. I have already created a table over here. Now student, we are in MS Word, and here in table on which we are going to apply border and shading. First we have to select the table with table icon. This is your table icon. Click on this. To select my whole table, and this is called the table icon. Now this is your table icon. When I click on it, my whole table is selected. Now just click on, just look at here is the table tools. Just click on layout under the table tool. In table tools, just this one is the table group. Now just click on property. Now this is your table property dialog box appear. Just click on table. Now first you have to click on border and shading. Now click on border tab. Now click on border that you want. I'm going to select this one. Okay. Now click on style. Just select any style of the border you want to apply. Just select anyone. There are a lot of border style. Just select anyone. Yes, I'm going to select this one. Now click on color box. Just choose any color. Yes, I'm going to with red color, and just select the width, that is 3. Now just after that click on OK. Now OK. Now you can see that the border has been applied. Now in this video, the students, we are going to learn how to apply shading and different style in a table. So just first we have to learn how to apply shading on a table. For this you have to click on first you have to select your table just with the table icon. Just click on table icon. When you click on table icon, the whole table will be selected. Now just go through the design tab under the table tool. Now just go through the table style group and find the option that is shading. Just click on shading. Now this is your color palette with a different color. Just you have to choose any color from the color palette which you want to apply in your table. Just I want to select so I go to this one. Just click on it. Now here you can see that this color has been applied in my table. Just look it over here. No, just look one more time. First you have to click your table with the table icon. Just go through the design tab and just go through the table style group. Find your shading option. Now just choose any color from the color palette. Click on it. Now next one is how to apply different style in a table. Just again first you have to select your table. Now again first you have to select your table with table icon. Now again click on design tab. This one is your design tab. Now just look at the table style group. Just this one is the different style, table style. Just choose. Now there is many options for different table style. You can choose any style and apply in your table. Now just click any one. This one, okay. I'll go through this one. Just click on it. Now you can see that selected table style has been applied in your table. Now one more time. Just again click on table icon. First you have to select your table with table icon. Now just go through the